Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio7 YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic how to calculate a simple linear regression in GraphPad Prism software. The data already entered the Excel sheet. The X column is a liquid nutrient milliliter per liter. The 0 is a control and 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5. The replicated value for the plant growth treatment. The different plant, the growth for the treatment in the control compared to the liquid nutrients in different concentration. The 0.1 to 0.5 milliliter per liter. The data copy to GraphPad Prism software. Now the copy the liquid nutrient and paste. Go to the GraphPad software. They create the XY column and enter the Y column the replication the 3 times. You already take the replication in 3 times, so select the replication in 3 times. If you want increase the 5 times, so increase the column in 5 and less than 3. Now create the sheet. Open the new window. The XH paste the liquid nutrient and the next data copy. Paste the X column and group A is a treatment, the plant growth treatment. Copy, paste the title group A. Now another the treatment result copy, paste the group A treatment, paste the data. Now go to the analyze menu and regression the curves. Click the simple linear regressions and open the new dialog. Select the simple linear regression and select the plant growth treatment and click the OK button. Now open the new parameter the dialog. Click the interpolated and the graph options show the 95% of confidence interval band, and the replicated is consider the each replication in the Y value as a interpolate. This is we take the 3 time replication, so consider the replicated value Y. If you take the one mean value, select the only consider the Y mean value, but now we take the replication value, so consider the each replicated Y value and the p value style GP the fixed, and click the OK button. Now open the dialog. The result of the simple linear regressions. The slope is a 148 and Y intercept 45.56. The standard error slab 9.379 and Y interpret 2.840. The 95% is a confident interval. The slope the minimum 128.1 to maximum 167.9. The Y interpolated and the X interpolated. The R square value is 0.9396 and X is equal to 6.795 and the F value 249. The P value is a significant value. The treatment is a significant. The less than 0.0001. The total the number of the X values the total 18. The maximum number of Y value replication the 3 times. The total number of value the 18. The number of missing value, the no number of value the missing, so the number of missing value is 0. Now the simple linear regression graph, go to the graph data 1. Open the change the graph type, the graph family XY, the preview graph model. If you any other type liquid, the suggested for the many type of graphs, you select the best one type. Now open the graph. The graph color changes. First increase the graph size. Select the graph. The format XH and another on the format graph. Now the resize the graph, the smaller, larger,